It's not like perfect, more like effortless, subconscious. It's like all of the atoms, they coming together to bring us a goddess.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. If you are not new to this, I hope you're subscribed. If you've been here more than once, I hope you're subscribed. As you can tell, as you can see, we are here with an install video. First of all, I want to give a super huge thank you to Brennas Hair for sponsoring today's video. This video is so overdue, you guys. I've had this wig for like 5 months. So you know the review is coming to you 100% authentic and real, okay? This is my 4th install I think I've done with the wig. We'll get into that later. But as you guys know, I'm a protective style junkie, okay? I love protective styling, especially right now because I'm about to go into a hair growth mode, okay? So I really love wearing wigs when I'm protective styling because I can still get that glam look that I'm looking for without having my hair out. But I'm also very much over the lace look. I don't like it. I don't like it. I love a natural look, a natural slay. So I was like, what can I do? How can I protect the majority of my hair with a wig but still have that natural look? And honestly, it all comes down to the hairline, right? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this 4x4 lace closure wig with a natural hairline. It's giving, it's my hair, it's giving sewing, it's giving I can do what I want. I love this. I thought U-part wigs was that girl, but baby, this method is that girl, okay? Most of my hair is protective. I still get the super natural, effortless look that I love. So of course, all the details and the links to this hair will be in the description box, as well as my coupon code to help you guys save some coins. But yeah, this hair is super gorgeous. I love this wig. Okay guys, so we are here for the install. Okay, so I already prepped my hair. So we are doing a very natural, seamless install with a natural hairline out. So I have the very edges of my hair sectioned out, as you can see here. And then I just have the rest of my hair in these 2 pigtails that I did. So let me show you guys the unit. So I just washed this couple days ago and I let it air dry. So this is what the unit looks like. So again, it is a 4x4 closure wig. It's 22 inches, or no, it's 20 inches, I believe. Please check the description box. I'll have the exact details. I've had this wig for 5-6 months now, but it's 250% density, which I love. 180% is just not enough. It's not giving body. The hair's amazing. So this is the hair washed, air dried. When I did first receive this wig, I did dye it jet black. So I've already cut off the majority of the lace that's on here, but there's still some extra lace. We don't want any of that. We don't want any extra lace, none of that, because this is going to be behind the hairline. So I just went ahead and see this extra lace that was in front of it. I just want to cut it. So as you can see, it's barely any lace, it's just hair. So I'm going to be using a stocking cap, and that's just to make sure my hair just lays flat and in place, and it also helps as kind of a grip. So let me go ahead and show you guys the construction of the cap. So again, it is a 4x4 lace closure, and as you can see, it has 2 clips here on the ear tab parts to secure your wig. It also comes with a comb in the back and also the drawstring. So if you have a wig that you have your own elastic band on, then obviously you would just make your elastic band tight enough to fit your head. So I'm just showing you guys how I have it in here. So as you can see, it's crisscross. I basically took the elastic that's over here and attached it to the first loop on the other side of the clip that's back in here, and then took this elastic and attached it to the first loop on the other side. So that's gonna give me kind of the most snug fit So now let's go ahead and put this wig on. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in and just flat iron my leave out. I don't really need to like necessarily flat iron the ends of it, more so the root part. All right, and this, okay, that's why it wasn't under the cap right. Okay, boom, there we go. Okay guys, so I just finished pressing out my edges and look at the blend. So we're gonna do a little bit of concealer to blend a little bit of a difference that you guys see right there. But honestly, a little part of me wants to cut. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like so far. You would just use a little bit of concealer to blend that part out. Press out the hair once, that section might be too big. And so yeah, just put some light loose waves in it, and I'll just go ahead and give you guys a rundown. So this review is not even like a first impression review, which a lot of my units are, because I'll only have like a few weeks to like install the hair, wear the hair, and like give you guys like a final review. Again, I've had this hair for 5 months now. Before y'all are getting this video and before this install, and that's because when I received, hold on, I need to get my comb. When I received this hair, y'all, so much was happening. We literally had like one was like we had 2 hurricane scares like back to back within literally like weeks of each other. Kids were out of school for like, what was it, like a week at a time, because they were releasing them out of school like on Mondays, or it was like a Tuesday and a Wednesday, and then it was a lot. Okay, it was a lot. And then I finally got around and I had filmed the install, and I filmed it as the wig came, which was like a 4x4 install, but I did not like the video. The video came out so bad. I had forgot to put my wig grip on. The wig was sliding back, y'all. You could see like it was bad, and I was not gonna come on here and do that. First of all, I was not gonna do that to the company, and I was just not gonna do that to y'all, like, you know. So yeah, so then that went bad, and then I just got so behind on everything. But I have worn this wig like in 3 different seasons, I guess you want to say, since I've had it. So this is gonna be like my 4th install of the wig. This is my first time installing it like this, but I'm so friggin' happy I chose to do this, because I wanted to go back into protective styling. You know, I'm kind of back on my hair growth journey. I love the bob. I've been bobbing it up out here, super cute and all of that, but I do kind of want to go back into like protective hair mode, hair growth mode. So I was like, I want a wig, but y'all know, I was like, I'm just over the wig hairline. So yeah, but this hair is amazing, you guys. Amazing. I was very like surprised. Every time I installed, I was just like, wow. The density is like right on. It's not too much, not too little. I remember I used to love getting like the 180 because I was 250 density. Just sounded very scary. It sounded so scary. It sounded like it was gonna be so much hair, but you guys, this is literally the perfect amount of hair. I feel like you get enough body, but it's like it's not too much weave, you know what I'm saying? So I'm always so retarded curling on this. Oh, why that one came out low-key better than the side that I'm actually good at though. Yeah, but this hair is super soft. Again, I did dye the hair, but even through the dye and everything, it doesn't get stiff. It didn't get dry. It doesn't tangle up or anything like that. Like, this has actually been the best hair that I've received like in a really long time, if I'm being completely honest. And again, I feel like, you know, whenever you first get a wig or a unit, you know, it behaves really good when you first get it, and then like after some time, you know, you start to see the true character. Just like with dating, you start to see the true character of a wig. Okay, it be fooling you, but no, this hair is actually like really gorgeous, beautiful hair. It's so soft. It definitely holds a curl really good, but no, this hair is beautiful, super soft. I like the luster on it as well. Even though I dyed it, it's not like a super high luster. Yeah, so again, the density is perfect. I literally just sat here and curled my whole head in less than 10 minutes. So yeah, that was the next thing that I actually really loved about this wig when I was wearing it, was how easy it was to style. Like, I got these super big pieces, but they all curled so well. So I'm going to perfect the part a little bit, and I feel, all right, so I'm gonna take a little eye shadow pen and basically kind of just make like hair strokes, because I feel like this part is a little bit too wide. Okay, I think we got it. Yup, look at that, look at this. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finger comb out the curls. And this is the finished result, you guys. How easy was that, and how natural does this look? And the hair is so pretty. So again, this is 20 inches. And this is where it comes up with the loose curls. I like it. It's a very natural look. So yeah, like the older I get, just as you guys can see, I'm loving just a very more natural, effortless look. Yeah, we're retiring, well, personally for me, over here, we're retiring lace closures, lace frontal look. I don't want no lace, no nothing on my forehead. I want my natural hairline. Like going to the gym, like, you guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. The styles. I don't want to mess up my hair too much because I want to take some pictures later. This is gonna be so good when I go to the gym. It just looks so freaking natural. And to literally think the only thing that's out is literally just the perimeter of my hair. So I'm messing up my curls because I'm doing too much. It's really good hair, you guys. So cute. So yeah, if you guys try out this method, definitely let me know if you've been using this method. Like, why y'all don't tell me? I'm kidding. So I actually did this method with a curly wig like 5-6 years ago, and I never really thought to try it with a straight wig. But yeah, like, I'm still a little bit in shock. So yeah, absolutely love this wig. This has been my go-to whenever I did want a wig, because even when I was wearing it as a glueless lace closure. So again, thank you so much Brennas Hair for sponsoring today's video. All the links for this hair will be down in the description box, along as with the coupon code. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. So give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, loves.